Shibanta when I'm same Samla paidbah exam SSLC but HSSLC Nakalianga National People's Shirt Front but NPP Women's Swing Jongonor Shalom Constituency Harkar Kachinre Lam Life Society Lapalong Burom Washukun Pa Hakanis Sajan Kitik Samla Washapan Burom Hakatika Sngi Kynthup Utanishri Achaji Brapoy Karang Balai but Samla Isabella Molong Brapoy Karang Bashpo Haka exam SSLC Kabau Samla Richard Purkaista Uday Blayok Karaman Kong Haka exam HSSLC Common Stream but Samla Sangam Paul Uday Arong Karang Bapra exam HSSLC Sen Stream Nakaliang Bapunyai Wanrah Arun Nongkren Shemphang Pamprishap Pasutu Samla Constancy Kunu Bigila Bayach Kamarakaji Mchoki Kiteki Arun Kynthup Kalinit Johnson Communication and Training in Life Society Badu Chef Tensing Siring Urong Shed Blaponamha Untang India Lake Pate Brokaway.
On the theme, be the agent of change. Now, 70 North Shillong Constituency Legislative Assembly, we lost. But it does not, sustain us or, keep us back to move forward. Rather, it keeps us more united. Today I can see different delegates, different representatives from different units coming to this very important program, leadership program. And I am very, very happy that we can come in this manner and be together again. Now, to be the agent of change means to accelerate good things in the family, in the society. Now, God created each one of us in His image, and we are unique. I am different from Professor Donwar. He is different from me. The things I can do, he cannot do. The things he can do, I cannot do. We are different, but we are unique. And each one of us, we are called to be the agent of change. And today, I am also very happy. In my constituency, in our constituency, 17 North Shillong, very, very happy. Why? Because today, we have few friends who have made our constituency very, very proud. And that's why, today we have kept one part of the program, to present the Academic Excellence Award, especially for SSLC candidates and also for HSSLC candidates. I am also very happy to have Lynette. Lynette, she's our friend, and day before yesterday we had a meeting in Vivanta, and we were so blessed with that meeting. And today she will be here, and she will take the sessions on the leadership, be the agent of change, and I hope we will all be blessed through your session. Thank you so much.
Examination and post 2023.
Okay, Tanushree? Yes.
Hearing first, ranked in the HSSLC examination, August Street, Common Rules 2023. How long? For securing 10th rank in the SSLC examination and post 2023. We have the award goes to Sagham Paul for securing 8th ranked in the HSSLC Science Stream and post 2023.